Y'all, welcome to Davis Woodworks. Today we're going to talk about staining and finishing in a small shed. My small shed. No talking. Let's just get it. Alright, I do have propane and it does run into my shop. My old sign, look at that. Davis Woodworks, are you open? Now here's how it all goes down. I just got that's a 72 by 42 table. How heated up in here. Of course, you gotta have this fan. It puts out a lot. That's a $150 fan, one of the best things I've ever bought. This fan here, which I don't have on. I don't keep these fans on when I'm finishing, but when I'm drying my table, I do. This thing right here is the key thing. It heats it up in here. This is August, what, 20th? I don't know, but this is it's hot in here. That's what I want. This thing is almost dry enough for me to start finishing. It's going to be a view. All right, on to the next. Yeah, it's a while later, all that built down. I'm gonna let this get in here. You see, it looks pretty good. We're gonna shut the doors. Better heat up in there. Y'all have a blessed one. All right, you're probably wondering why I'm wearing this long sleeve in there. All that overspray gets all over you, so I wear one of these when I spray. I just got done. Heater's working, warming up, gonna get it. That's a quick dry right there. Yeah, you gotta be careful with propane. I mean, I'm always worrying. That's all I got. So, that dries, I'm gonna sand it and finish it. Same process over and over. I do a lot of blowing out. You know, not when I'm finishing. I like to let everything settle, and then I even do some by hand. But anyway, I'm not going to show that table because I'm doing a video on it, and I kind of want to show it finished at the end. So, y'all have a blessed day.